Here's a 2015 INFINITI Q50. This sedan is unparalleled in its intuitive control and efficiency while still retaining so much power and stunning good looks. And with features like these, every drive's a pleasure. Voice activation, heated steering wheel, power heated mirrors, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, driver selectable mode, four-wheel anti-lock disc brakes, INFINITI InTouch external memory control, dual zone climate control, Atessa ET's four-wheel drive with traction control, driver and passenger front and seat mounted airbags, and automatic transmission. Edmunds.com highlights its many standard high-tech electronic and safety features. For a distinctive life, you need a distinctive vehicle. INFINITI. The time is now. See it for yourself today.
You're not just a number at Cowles Nissan. You're a family member. We work hard to make owning a new vehicle easy, fun, and affordable. We're conveniently located at 14777 Jefferson Davis Highway in Woodbridge.